There we go. Wow. That is spooky.
And I am not wanted here. Well, I walk the same roads you do, and you do not find me there. Oh, I haul a heavy burden, I haul it everywhere. Oh, I am a pilgrim, and I seek what is not there. Oh, I seek what is not there.
Heading up the hill. Forecast shows rain and snow. So we'll see what we get. Dogs are ready. Looks like we're gonna get some bear tracks. Hard to see, but this damn thing is getting pretty steep. Come on, buddy. Oh, you're nice and red. Maybe a good shower later. We got the trees talking to us today. Wow. We're gonna have to pay attention where we're going. Keep looking up. Doing this one step at a time thing. But hey, we got a little flat spot. Oh man, rough road. Man, I tell you, some steep terrain here, man. It just doesn't ever flatten out. Just keeps going steeper and steeper. Almost to the top. We're gonna be a well-deserved break at the top. Heading up to the first peak. Where's the light? There we go. We're almost to the first peak. It's just now starting to hit me with a little snowflakage. Pretty high up so far. We got storms coming. We're gonna try and get to the top, take a little break, come back down. We got a rainbow already. Great. We'll be putting the rain jacket on before our way down, I'm sure. Jesus Christ, this is like, I'm probably at a 45-degree angle right now. You see the angle there. Jesus. One step at a time. Oh crap. It's a raining. We made it quite a ways, but got a little more to go. There she is up there in the cloud, right there. We're getting there. Whew. Sunshine. Feels wonderful. Oh man. It's like 25 degrees up here right now. It's ice pelts. little bit of sunshine for a second feels great. Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Whew. I can see why they made that song. Feels good. Wow, quite the rainbow. Rain's here. Not gonna let it stop us though. Come on, buddy. Let's keep moving. Go on, keep going. Go. All right. Oh my God, it flattened out just a little bit for half a second. We are up in the snow. It's getting close. We'll see what happens. So close to the top. Just right there. A few more steep grades, and we'll be there looking down, and hopefully get a little bit of sunshine. We'll see. I know this is one of the steeper hikes I've ever done. Luckily there's an old road. This is an old fire access road here we're going on. It you can see by all the old tracks, you know, tire tracks. About 3 years ago we had a fire called the Helena fire. You can Google that or whatever, get some info on it, but it's pretty wild. We got evacuated and I heard people were in there looting, so I snuck back in and just kind of hung out and just waited, you know, just watching the fire come up over the ridge. Actually, the ridge we're on, you could see this is all fire damage here. This is all fire damage, and it just burned this whole thing. That's why there's no trees up here. This was all forested a few years ago, but it's nature's way of cleansing, you know. It's good the fires happen. I just wish they would stay away from the home. You can watch the fog hit the mountain and roll up. It's pretty cool. We're officially up in the low cloud zone. We got a lot of wind coming. It's supposed to have some storms coming from the west. Sure looks like it. So close to the top. It's just right there. It's right there. Shit. These dogs are like, what's taking so long? This is almost, look at the angle of my feet. See that? I mean, they are, this is steep. Here we are. Damn. I mean, wow. Shit. A few deep breaths ought to do it. Get back, go on. Everybody's sitting around the campfire now. Everybody wants some sweets, huh? Yeah, lay down. Yeah, she's like, yeah, this looks like a good spot to me. This'll work. Come on, buddy. Yeah, everybody wants food, huh? Easy, Jessica, easy. Hey, get back, baby. Jessica, get back, baby. We're just gonna replenish and keep moving. Relax. Well, it's starting to snow. Sweet. Guess we got some hot spam on the way. Oh yeah. It's time to get our jackets on and finish up our spam, and then we'll head back down. This doesn't get much better than a piece of fried spam. Huh. On our way back down, the weather's definitely changed. It's cold, windy, and cold. Long way back, but it's well worth it. Looking down on Junction City. Jessica, he's always out front, baby. He's always right here with me, though. Well, we not going fast enough for you, buddy? Oh, man. Woo. There's that noise, baby. That's trees creaking and cracking. What's going on, guys and gals? Life on the mountain here. We made it back to the car safe and sound. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you see, go and hit the thumbs up. Give me a quick subscribe. We got a lot of content coming out. I'm putting out just a bunch of videos every week. I'm getting out as much as I can and doing as much as I can possible. So stay tuned. We should have a whole lot of stuff coming up. Appreciate it.